Smart interactive displays like the GX series, MX, and 6000S series offer advanced learning tools with Smart Learning Suite software. They foster engaging classrooms, aiding teacher-student communication and improving academic performance. Smart boards feature intuitive touchscreens, digital tools, and compatibility with various devices, offering versatile teaching aids. The MX series is popular for classrooms, while the 6000S series suits advanced users. These boards support multimedia integration, interactive lessons, and online collaboration. Additionally, Smart offers business-oriented displays like the QX Pro and MX Pro series, enhancing corporate meetings with video conferencing capabilities. Despite being pricier, Smart boards offer reliability and compatibility with educational discounts available. They don't require a computer, featuring built-in Android IQ for independent operation. With Wi-Fi connectivity and a 5-year warranty, Smart boards provide enduring educational solutions.